Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve the trim binary search tree problem. This is a classic coding interview question that tests your understanding of tree data structures and recursion. The goal is to take a binary search tree and remove any nodes that fall outside a specific range of numbers, keeping only the valid ones. Before we dive into the solution, let's quickly recap what a binary search tree is. A BST is a tree where every node follows a specific rule. For any given node, all values in its left subtree are strictly smaller than the node itself, and all values in its right subtree are strictly larger. This property is crucial because it allows us to make intelligent decisions about which parts of the tree to keep or discard without visiting every single node. Here is our task. We are given the root of a binary search tree and two integers, low and high. We need to trim the tree so that all remaining nodes have values between low and high, inclusive. The tricky part is that we must maintain the binary search tree structure. We cannot just delete nodes randomly. The remaining descendants must still follow the left is smaller and right is larger rule. Let's look at a visual example. On the left, we have a tree with a root of 3. Our target range is 1 to 3. Notice the nodes 0, -1, and 4. These are outside our range. Node 0 and its left child -1 are too small. Node 4 is too big. Our algorithm needs to transform this tree into the version on the right, where the 0 and 4 branches are removed, but the valid node, 2, which was a child of 0, is preserved and reattached correctly. We will solve this using recursion. We process the tree starting from the root. For each node, we check its value against our low and high boundaries. Depending on the value, we make a decision to either keep the node and fix its children or discard the node entirely and replace it with one of its children. There are exactly 3 scenarios we need to handle. Scenario 1 is when the current node's value is less than the low boundary. Because this is a sorted tree, if the current node is too small, then absolutely everything in its left subtree is also too small. We can safely discard the current node and its entire left side. However, the right subtree might still have valid nodes that are larger than the current node, but still within our range. So, we return the result of trimming the right subtree. Scenario 2 is the exact opposite. If the current node's value is greater than the high boundary, it is too large. By the BST property, everything in the right subtree is even larger, so we discard the current node and the right side. We then look to the left subtree, which might contain smaller, valid values, and return the result of trimming that side. The final scenario is the happy path. The node's value is between low and high. This means the node itself is valid and should stay in the tree. However, its children might not be valid. So, we keep the node, but we recursively call our trim function on its left child and its right child to clean them up. Finally, we return the node itself. Here is the complete Python code implementation. We define a function called trim_bst first. We have a base case. If the root is none, we return none. Then we check our 3 cases. If the value is less than low, we return the result from the right. If the value is greater than high, we return the result from the left. Otherwise, we are in range, so we update the left and right pointers by recursing and finally return the root. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is the total number of nodes. In the worst case, we might have to visit every node to decide if it should be kept or removed. The space complexity is big O of h, where h is the height of the tree, which represents the maximum depth of our recursion stack. In a balanced tree, this is logarithmic, but in a skewed tree, it could be linear.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.